Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Folk CRM. In order to do so, here we are at folk.app, and according to their homepage, it is like the sales assistant your team never had. Folk CRM does the busy work for you so you can focus on growing your business, and you can try it for free or you can get a demo. Finally, a CRM that works for you. It's absurdly simple to set up, a single source of truth built for team selling, and is surprisingly proactive. Capture contacts fast as lightning. The Folk X Chrome extension imports leads and enriches their details without leaving LinkedIn. Sales research done for you. Smart fields find emails in one click. Identify a lead's strongest connection and import data from your prospect's website with AI. Personal outreach at scale. CRM data combined with AI to generate contextual drafts, schedule messages, and automate sequences. Get the full story about every lead. Integrations capture all the details about your relationships by connecting to your emails, calendars, social platforms, and 6,000 plus other tools. Sell together, close faster. Collaborate on deals with shared pipelines, customizable roles and permissions, and sales dashboards. Keep it casual with clients on WhatsApp without leaving your team out of the loop, and you can explore WhatsApp integration here. Your data is safe with Folk. So you could start your 14-day free trial on Folk. Again, try it for free, get a demo. You can download the Folk X extension. You can download the desktop app. And that's how you can get started with Folk CRM. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.